butter, fly, butterfly, butterfly. A butterfly is a beautiful insect with colorful wings. Honey, bee, honeybee, honeybee. A honeybee is a hardworking insect that collects nectar from flowers and makes sweet honey. Moon, light, moonlight. Moonlight is the soft, beautiful white light that the moon gives to the earth at night. Finger, print, fingerprint. A fingerprint is the unique pattern on your finger used for security and identification. Rain, coat, raincoat. A raincoat is a waterproof jacket we wear to stay dry in the rain. Bubble, gum, bubble gum. Bubble gum is a sweet chewing gum that you can blow into bubbles. Light, house, lighthouse. A lighthouse is a tall tower with a strong light that helps ships navigate safely at sea. Super, market, supermarket. A supermarket is a big store where you can buy food, clothes, and daily items. Water, fall, waterfall. A supermarket is a big store where you can buy food, clothes, and daily items. Horse, shoe, horseshoe. A horseshoe is a U-shaped metal shoe fixed on a horse's hoof for protection. Brain, storm, brainstorm. A brainstorm is when a group thinks of many creative ideas together. Door, bell, doorbell. A doorbell is a bell at the door that rings when someone visits. Ice, cream, ice cream. Ice cream is a cold, sweet frozen dessert loved by everyone. Sand, box, sandbox. A sandbox is a box filled with sand where children play. Key, board, keyboard. A keyboard is the set of keys we use to type on a computer. Lash, eyelash. Eyelashes are the small hairs on your eyelids that protect your eyes. Time, table, timetable. A timetable is a schedule that shows times for classes or trains. Bird, house, birdhouse. A birdhouse is a small house made for birds to live in. Which one made you laugh the most in part 2? Comment below, like this video if you enjoyed. Subscribe for part 3. Thank you for watching. Bye.